For some reason, I cannot download this image I made from ChatGPT. So when I click download, as you can see, they say network error. So I do have internet, so I'm gonna try to see how I can fix it. I'm gonna go to setting, maybe look for app. I'm gonna look for Chat ChatGPT. Does it have permission? Storage? Maybe let me clear the cache and see. Let's see. Let's try again. Now I'm gonna have to log in because I did clear the cache. Mm. So let's try again. It's working. Let's see. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Yeah.